Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to do terminal connections and programming in the HTC 405 controller. First, let's understand the terminal connections. Terminal number 2 is for your relative humidity, RH, sensor. Terminals 4, 5, and 6 are for your RTD temperature sensor. Terminals SE and A are for your line and neutral connections. Terminal number 10 is your relay 1, used for RH control. Terminals 11 and 12 are your relay 2, used for temperature control. Now, moving on to programming the controller. To start programming, press the down key for the second time. The level will become 0. Level 0 is for humidity settings, and level 1 is for temperature settings. To switch to level 1, press the Enter key once. When the Edit LED blinks, it means you are in editable mode. Let's go back to level 0 for humidity settings. Press Enter once to save the level 0 setting. Next, the humidity resolution parameter appears. Here, you can select whether you want to see humidity with a decimal point or as a single digit. You can choose between 0.1 and 1. I will set it to 0.1 and press Enter to save. After that, the humidity set point low limit appears. This is the lowest humidity value you can set on the main display. Similarly, the next parameter is the humidity high set point, which is the maximum humidity value you can set on the main display. The next parameter is the humidity filter time constant. It is recommended to keep this at the default setting. Now, the humidity control mode appears. The default is DEF, which means dehumidifier mode. In this mode, if the humidity goes above the set point, the relay will turn on. Alternatively, you can select humidifier mode, where the relay turns on only if the humidity is below the set point, and turns off when it goes above. I will set it to dehumidifier mode and press Enter to save. Next is humidity hysteresis, which is set to 0.5 by default. You can adjust this between 0.1 and 99.9. This value is the difference between the relay turning on and off relative to the humidity set point. The next parameter is humidity display bias. If your sensor location causes a difference in humidity readings, you can adjust the display bias here, up to plus or minus 19.9. Following that is the restart time delay. You can set a delay up to 19.9 minutes. This means after the relay turns off, it will not turn on again for the set delay time, even if conditions are met. Finally, there is a humidity reset option. If you want to reset all humidity parameters to factory defaults, type Yes here and press Enter. The display will show Done, indicating the reset is complete. Now, to program temperature settings, press the down key twice to return to level 0. Then press Enter to go to level 1. In level 1, you can set temperature resolution, choosing between decimal points or single digits. I will set it to single digit and save. Next, select the temperature unit, either degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. I will choose Celsius. Then, set the temperature set point low limit. The default is minus 150 degrees. This is the minimum temperature you can set on the main display. Similarly, set the temperature set point high limit. The default is 850 degrees. This is the maximum temperature you can set. Keep the temperature filter time constant at default. Next is temperature control action. The default is RE, meaning reverse action. In reverse action, the relay stays on below the set point and turns off above it. Forward action means the relay stays on above the set point and off below it. I will keep it at reverse action and save. Then, select the control logic, on, OFF or PID. I will choose PID control. Next is temperature display bias. Like humidity, you can adjust this if sensor location causes variation, up to plus or minus 19.9. The anti-reset windup parameter should be kept at default. There is also a factory reset option for temperature parameters. Selecting Yes will reset all temperature settings to factory defaults. To access Level 2, press and hold the key for 3 seconds. Here, the first option is Self-Tune. When Self-Tune is active, the T LED blinks slowly. Next is Auto-Tune. Auto-Tune automatically calculates proportional band, integral time, derivative time, cycle time, and anti-reset windup. When Auto-Tune is running, the display LED blinks fast. I will select Self-Tune and save. Pressing Enter again shows the PID values: proportional band, integral time, derivative time, mode, and cycle time. To change the set point, press the Enter key twice. The LED will blink, indicating editable mode. You can switch between humidity and temperature set points by pressing the up or down keys. For example, I will change the humidity set point. When I set it to 65, the output turns off because the actual humidity is 61.7, which is below the set point. If I lower the set point to 40, the relay turns on, and the green LED lights up. Similarly, to change the temperature set point, press Enter twice. The degree Celsius symbol appears, indicating editable mode. If I set the temperature to 22 degrees, the output turns off because the actual temperature is 23, which is above the set point. To save the set point, press Enter twice. This completes the basic programming and terminal connection overview of the HTC 405 Humidity and Temperature Controller.